Good morning, children. Today we will discuss the lesson, the Rattrap of the book Flamingo. And before that, I have already discussed the lesson. Last lesson, Lost Spring, Deep Water. But today, I will discuss the lesson, the Rattrap, written by Selma Lagerlöf. Here, this is the lesson that speaks about the worldly complexities. Man runs after wealth and materialistic values. Man have lost values and become very much selfish, self-centered in this world. This is the modern trend of the society, that the people have become very much materialistic. They have become selfish, self-centered, and consequently they have lost the morality also. So in this lesson, it has been depicted that how a holy man can be changed into a thief, and a thief is changed into a holy man. It is the society who is responsible to give the chance about a person, how he molds his or her character. There are two important characters in this lesson, the paddler, the crofter. These are the two. Again, there are two important characters, the idla and the iron master. Idla is the daughter of the iron master, and the iron master himself is the owner of a iron mill. What happens in this story, that the paddler once becomes thief, and after becoming thieves and resorting to the work of thievery, he is entrapped by the attractive things of the world, and finally the paddler proclaims that the world is like a rat trap. Rat trap means chuhedani. What is the function of a rat trap? When a rat, we want to catch the rat, first of all we put the rat in a particular place, and we put the baits, cheese, pork and other things. And when the rat wants to go and get attracted, tempted towards the bait, the gate of the rat trap closes and it comes inside the rat trap. In this is the same situation that the people of the world, enslaved by the fascinating things of the world. And once the people enslaved, they lose everything, morality, loss of values, and become very much selfish. In this lesson, what happens? The paddler steals money from the crofter house, and the same money is again returned with the help of idla, in the association of a good behavior, and the thief becomes a holy man and saint. So today I want to say that how a thief can be converted into a holy man, and tomorrow I will discuss about the summary part, the title, justification of the title, and the central idea of the topic tomorrow. Thanks.